Santa Maria seasoning from the harvest of flat leaf parsley, Himalayan, peppercorn, and granulated garlic is incredible on beef. Make sure to use a mortar and pestle to warm it up before adding it to the beef. As you can see, I have a ribeye and a sirloin. I'm going to heavily coat the steaks, and then I will use my tongs so I don't get it all up on my nails. You spread it around. I don't feel like busting out gloves either. It's probably easier with hands, but it's what it is. So I'm going to flip them over and do the exact same thing on the other side. Just wanted to show you the beautiful color of that steak. Probe them so that way I can get the ideal temperatures. The grill is set to high temperature. Average for such a huge steak like that as a ribeye is about 10 minutes or to ideal temperature. I do a quarter turn every 2.5 minutes so I can get beautiful grill marks as you can see here. Oh yeah. The sirloin was added after the fact. That took about 7.5 minutes. And I do a quarter turn on that. And then I will show you the beautiful grill marks on the sirloin. And you do the quarter turn until it's finished. Add some Celtic salt to bring up all those flavors. There you go. Look how beautiful that dinner looks. Thank you very much for viewing.